A special court in Bangalore sentenced Tamil Nadu Chief Minister J Jayalalithaa and her three associates N Sasikalaa, J Elavarasi and V N Sudhakaran to 4 years imprisonment in the rupees 66.65 crore disproportionate assets case. The court of John Michael D'Souza imposed a fine of rupees 100 crore on Jayalalithaa and rupees 10 crore on each of the other convicts. If they fail to pay the fine, they will have to serve an additional 1 year in jail. Jayalalithaa can't contest elections for 6 years. Jayalalithaa was sent to hospital in Parappana Agrahara jail as she felt giddiness and chest pain after the verdict. All the accused were convicted for offensive punishable under section 120B of the IPS Criminal Conspiracy, 13(1) of the Prevention Corruption Act, criminal misconduct by public servants and 109 abetment by Special Judge John Michael D'Souza on Saturday afternoon, Special Public Prosecutor Bhavani Singh told. The case was registered by the Directorate of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption of Tamil Nadu Police in 1996 after the President BJP leader Subramaniam Swamy moved courts and obtained necessary directions. By listing a total of 78 properties, kilos of gold and silver, besides diamonds, personal accessories and fraudulent transactions in ghost or binami companies numbering 32. The DVAC said she and her associates had amassed wealth worth rupees 66.65 crore disproportionate to her known sources of income as Chief Minister during 1991 to 96. Jayalalithaa, Sasikalaa and Elavarasi arrived at the court at 10:42 p.m. while Sudhakaran, Jayalalitha's former foster son, had arrived earlier. Almost all ministers of Tamil Nadu cabinet, including seniors of Pannirselvam, Idupadi K. Palaniswamy and Natham R. Vishwanathan, were in the attendance at the venue where the special court had been shifted to her judgment. Though the FIR was registered in September 1996, the case dragged on for nearly 18 years. Partly due to the DMK insistence on having a trial shifted out of Tamil Nadu and also due to obtained petitions and appeals filed by the accused. Towards closing stages, the sheer number of questions put to the Chief Minister, 1,339 in all, contributed to the delay, as she had to make time to answer them in between her work as the Chief Minister. Jayalalithaa needed 4 sessions and 2 months to complete the formality. From the day the Apex Court ordered staying all proceedings in the assets case in a special court in Chennai and its ultimate transfer to a special court in Bangalore, 6 years were lost. But it was the methods adopted by the Chennai court which gave room to DMK General Secretary K. Anbazagan to rush to the Supreme Court and obtain stay. While it was being heard by a special court in Chennai, the prosecution allowed recall of 76 prosecution witnesses whose examination and cross-examination were already over. As feared, 64 of them turned hostile, weakening the case considerably. The procedure did not seek to declare them as hostile, nor did he initiate perjury proceedings against them, pointed out the Supreme Court while transferring the case to Karnataka to be heard at a special court in Bangalore. Similarly, the Chennai Special Court's order dispensing with Jayalalitha's personal preference in court to answer court queries under Section 313 also did not go down well with the Apex Court.